Hello everyone. Today at Company 360 we will learn about design patents. What is design patent? Before proceeding to what is design patent, let us understand what exactly design means. Design, according to the Design Patent Act, means only the features of shape, configuration, pattern, composition, color combination applied to any article. Article has to be a two-dimensional article or three-dimensional or in both forms. This is known as design. A design is any article which appeals to a person by its naked eye. That means you can see the construction or the features of the article by your sole eye. Now, design patent is essentially a patent right given for certain period of time over the design of an article. Now, how you can get a design patent? Suppose you have article. Here the article can be anything. It can be a jewelry item, it can be an electrical item such as switches, fan, it can be a stationery item, for example the stamp, stapler, anything. Once you have an article and you create a unique design that need not to add any functionality like you have to do in a patent, but it has to be aesthetically appealing. That means its appearance should be different, should be observable, and it has to have a two-dimensional or three-dimensional shape. Design patent is easy to get in comparison to the patent, as it requires only an article which has a unique design. So why design patent is important? Design patent is important because it protects the art and craft. It is good for small artisans, designers, jewelers, craftsmen, so that they can monopolize their right over the unique designs. It is good to protect your any article, maybe bed, maybe any furniture, lamp, plates, anything you can protect for fixed period of time and mint more amount of money under design patent. It is easy to get and it is easy to file. I hope the concept of design patent is clear. In case you want to know any more details about design patent, simply drop a request us at company360.in or write a mail to us at info@company360.in. Have a good day.